Moonlight Nana. Hello everyone, I'm Moonlight Nana and this is my 36 Medibang Paint Pro tutorial video. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope it can help you start off your first step in your digital art journey. In the previous tutorial video, we learned how to add materials into your collection. For this Medibang Paint Pro tutorial, I will show you how to organize your material collection, including renaming, rearranging, grouping, and deleting. Please remember that we are still under the topic of Medibang Cloud Service, but for this time, an internet connection is optional. If that's clear, then let's start. First of all, let's learn how to rename material. To rename a material is easy. Simply double-click on the selected material, like this. And then when you see that a box appear down here, then you are ready to type in the new name. Let me write here, huts. When you sure of the new name, press enter on the keyboard and there you have it. You have already changed the name of this material. Easy, right? Alright, let's move on to learning how to rearrange our materials. This one is easy, also easy. So to arrange our materials, we're gonna move the materials above or below other materials. Okay. So say I want these musical notes to be placed above the other materials, and what I do is that I'll click, hold and drag this musical notes material and then place it above the other materials, like so. Okay, so as you can see here, this musical notes is now positioned higher than the initial position, which is here close to the hearts. So this is the one below, and then now it's already up here. Okay, you can also do a similar action when moving a material to be below other material. Okay, like for example, I want to put down this material. Okay, so what I do is I simply click, hold and drag the material down from its initial position and then release the mouse. Okay, you can do this easily. And so the same as these hearts, you can drag it up here. Okay, where is it? Okay, over here. Now put it again up here, and then if you want to put it down, drag and drop. Okay, so surely you can do this easily. Okay, next we'll learn how to group materials. To group materials, you need to make a new folder. Check out the second icon down here from the right. Okay, this icon shows a folder and it is the add group folder. Add group button. Okay, so clicking on it will create a new folder instantly. So I'll click on it, and then up here is the new folder. So I'll name this folder tutorial. Okay, and then press enter on the keyboard. A new folder has been created, but this folder doesn't have anything in it. So now let's put in materials into this folder. To put a material into a folder, simply click and drag the material you want into the folder you'd like. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna put these hearts into here. Okay, now pay attention the white highlight outside of the folder. When you hold a material above any folder and this white highlight appears, it means that that folder is the one you designate the material to be placed in. Alright, so now the hearts material is designated for this tutorial folder, and then I'll release it to drop it in. Now the hearts material disappeared from view in this material window. That's because it's been placed inside this folder already. To view it, click on this little arrow beside the folder. You will then be able to view the material inside of it. And here is the hearts material. You may add more materials into the folder by doing the same way of clicking and holding the material. So do it like this. Okay, and so now you I have the musical notes and the hearts inside of this folder. Now if you want to remove a material from the folder, you may drag that material out of the folder like this. For example, again these musical notes. So now I'll drag it out like this. Okay, and then this material is out of the folder. You can check by clicking on the small arrow beside the folder. It hides all the materials inside the folder and then reveals them. Okay, one more time, I put it in, and then it will reveal, this little arrow will reveal and hide the materials inside the folder. Okay, so I'll put it out again. Now if you want to delete a material, simply select the material like this musical notes, and then you click on this bin icon down here. This is the delete button, or named remove material. When you click it, a prompt window will appear to double check if you really want to delete the material or not. If you're sure that you want it deleted, click OK, or if not, click cancel. But for this, I want this material deleted, so I'll click on OK. And as you'd expect, the material is instantly removed from the material collection. You can also delete a folder this way. To delete a folder, select the folder you want to delete, and then click the delete icon down here, or the remove material button. Now a prompt window will again appear, and this time with additional info. It tells you the number of item or material that is contained within the folder. If you're sure you want it deleted, then click OK. Now the folder and its contents are deleted. Please be aware that this delete action is irreversible. Once you delete a material or icon, you can't get it back. Material or item, you can't get it back even using undo. The only way to get it back is either downloading it back from the cloud over here, adding it from your computer, or redrawing it. If the particular material is one of a kind, then it will be a real bummer if you accidentally delete it. So please think carefully before deleting anything, especially if you're deleting a folder that contains multiple materials in it. Okay, then we're done learning how to organize the material collection. All what is covered can also be done in the item and the tone as well. Organizing your materials makes the material window look tidier. It also helps to make your search for a particular material easier. Like mine here, I have lots of tone materials saved, and I group them into folders. So like if I want to use the flowers tone, I can straight away browse through my collection here. Okay, I encourage you guys to organize and tidy up your material collection too, especially if you're gonna be using it often like I do. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video of Medibang Paint Pro. Please like this video and subscribe to Moonlight Nana channel, or follow me on Facebook. Together we help each other in our art journey. Have a blessed day ahead, everybody.